I think that in defending the faith, both reason and rhetoric have a role to play. The great Greek philosopher Aristotle wrote a book on rhetoric, which I studied in college in my persuasive speaking class. And Aristotle argued that in any rhetorical situation, there are going to be three elements in that situation. The logos, which is the intellectual content of the presentation. This would be the role of reason. But secondly, there's also the ethos of the speaker, that is the personal character of the speaker. If the speaker is a scurrilous, underhanded, untrustworthy person, then you're not apt to be persuaded by his arguments. But if you know him to be an upstanding, good person, that will make his arguments more effective. And then the third element is the pathos, and this is the emotional connection that the speaker has with his audience. In any persuasive speaking situation, you need to develop an emotional connection with your audience so that they like you and they sense your heart, and it makes them open and disposed to listening to what you have to say. And so rhetoric and reason go together. Indeed, reason is one of the elements of good rhetoric. Without reason, what you have is sophistry. And Aristotle knew that in the ancient world there were these sophists who were great speakers, but they didn't have the intellectual substance that Aristotle demanded. So reason is properly a part of rhetoric.